Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for those of you who are coming to my channel for the very first time, make sure you guys stay here and watch this video till the end, and then you'll know if it is worth subscribing to my channel. If you feel that it is worth subscribing, do not hesitate and subscribe to my channel and share the video to all those who you think might get some help from this video. This video is in continuation with the previous video wherein we discussed a lot of amazing job hunting tips, starting from why to update resume very frequently to how to go for interviews and drives and so much more. So if you have not watched that video already, go and watch that and then come to this video. Dear subscribers, did you know that it is so important to click that bell icon next to the subscribe button? If you have not done already, do that and you'll know all the updates. Now guys, the next tip is for all those people who are very certain about what all companies they want to get into. So for them sometimes it becomes really easy and sometimes a little tedious when opportunities are not there. But almost every company has this tab called careers, or what do you call it, a page called career in their website. So all you need to do is go there and find the relevant opportunities, and sometimes when you fill in all the details like your name, email ID, phone number and your resume, they also give you an email ID of the HR who you can directly contact. So that is a really good thing. So yeah, that happens sometimes and that doesn't happen when there are no opportunities, of course. So at that point, what works is referrals. So guys, job referrals are one of the strongest ways to get a job. So that is why people actually tell that networking actually helps when it comes to job. So if you know so many people in really good companies, they can actually refer you when it's your time to go and do a job. Because those people, when they refer you, get certain amount of bonus, and it is a win-win kind of situation for you and that person both. So yeah, that is how it works. And so many times companies have these referral drives wherein these people can actually apply for you and you get an interview call directly. You do not even have to go for the long processes of aptitude and all. Sometimes it is really easy and sometimes they follow a certain process. So referrals is a great way. Even Infosys has an employee referral program. If you guys are looking for an opportunity in Infosys, you can actually email me. I would love to refer you guys whenever they start this employee referral program next. So yeah, I will put my email ID on the screen maybe and also in the description box, so you can go ahead and send me your resumes. And if you are looking forward to work in Infosys, as soon as they have their employee referral drives, I'm going to save your resumes and apply for you all. So let me know in the comments or email me. I read all the emails and I have replied to so many emails these days from you guys. So yeah, you can go ahead and do that. So yeah, next tip was networking so that you can actually get a lot of job referrals. Just how I talked about job fairs, that you need to be aware about what job fairs are happening around you or in some other city around you. You must go in off-campus drives, in those walk-in interviews. So yeah, even walk-ins are there. You need to go to company's particular website and there are so many articles. So many times it's a newspaper, so many times it's on LinkedIn, on the company's website. So you need to be very well aware of all these things if you want to get into IT, if you are an engineer. And so you need to be aware of all the IT companies. At least you need to be aware about all those companies with whom you actually want to work. So yes guys, this was it for today's video. And yes, if this video was helpful to you, it is definitely going to be helpful for all of your friends who are actually hunting for a job right now. Trust me, these simple tips can actually get them a job very quickly. So do not hesitate and share this video with all those who need it. I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. So yes guys, before you go, make sure to subscribe to my channel, ring that bell icon. I make videos every week, and keep sharing.